All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250, obviously the high top, long wheelbase with 33,000 miles. Beautiful white with vinyl, gray vinyl interior, AM, FM stereo system, backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, super nice, and best of all, looks good, this car. Front bumper looks good, front hood looks good, front fender looks good, front passenger door looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Steel wheel, tire tread is under 4/32. This door do have this quarter here does have a little dent right there. It's got a couple of dings here, another one there, another one down here. You can catch that one on the camera. It's got some things here, as you can see. Stutter stepping. 1, 2. My camera can focus here. Boom, you see one there, one there, one there. Actually two there. All right. Now ding from the inside out. And that looked pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. Your tire there is under 7/32, above 4 there. Come inside this vehicle. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with 1 key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. So your instrument cluster looks like you see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 33,753. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. I'll leave the car on for you guys. It does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. I don't remember if I said that. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have a couple of dents. A little scuffing there. On this door we have a dent here, another one here, another one here, here, here. All right. And that door has a little crease dent over there. That's about it. I'll get my ladder to go up there so I can show you guys in detail what's going on up there. All right, this rear cargo space looks pretty good. It does have a dent up there, I can see it. And I'll show you that. Cargo space looks pretty good, as you can see it in there. Wheel moldings, real well molding, looks good. This door looks pretty good. The inside. Let's see this one. Likewise, looks pretty darn good. Let's check out the roof. Come up there. Thank you. All the way to the top. All right. On the roof, we do have a dent right here. As you can see, push this in right here. Boom. The rest of it looks pretty decent. I'm gonna go to the front and see what that looks like. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a crease dent right here. Boom. It actually comes all the way to the door. There you go. That's what it looks like. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. You tie it right here. It's under 7/32, above 4. This door looks pretty good. Does have a dent there. Another one there. A couple of dings. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. So what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Very nice. Let's get my ladder and we're gonna see what's going on up there. Whoa. Okay. Whew, ladder's freaking. All right. So we do have a dent here. As you can see, it comes here, some here, and some back there. So basically, this whole area here has a dent, probably from going through a drive-through or something. Let me see the marking. Ladder moved around there. Thanks, Edgar. All right, let's check out your front passenger seat. Window holes, no tears, no rips to that. This door looks good. This fender does have a dent here, about 3 inches. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread, over 7/32 there. Lights are working, cars running, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2017 Ford Transit T-250 high top, long wheelbase with 33,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.